Morning everybody, how y'all doing today? Just enjoying a nice Friday, took the day off, so I think it's needed. Just recharge the old batteries. So I'll be doing another video unboxing on a 1/16 scale new release by Banggood. It's the SMRC monster truck, the brushless version. So I'm going to go ahead and start that for you guys. So that's the box it came with. Okay, there's a brushed and brushless version. The brushed version is black, and the brushless version is white. The brushed version is black. Okay, so basically that's the box it came in. Not really much to the box, but it says off-road strength shock, rubber tire, remote control, USB charging, LiPo battery. So we're gonna open it up, see what it says. So it's 1/16 scale right over here. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open it up for you guys. So like I said, I ordered the brushless version. So I believe I saw another review on it. I believe Phil over at SMRC did a review on it already. So first off, in the goodie bag we have the wings. Got a screwdriver here, USB charging port, hex wrench, some stickers, which is nice, so you can fill in yourself, and the instruction manual, which has basically everything you need. You know how to control the parts list and all that. Okay, so that's all in here. Truck itself. Okay, this truck itself, bare bones as you can see, but basically it's comes bare, so you would have to take off the protective plastic coating on it. Okay, so to take this one off, you just gotta remove it up here like this. It's Velcro and just comes off like that, so it's pretty straightforward. So nice and streamlined. So here's the innards right here. I believe we have a 45 amp brushless 2-in-1 ESC, which is up here. We have a 4200 kV motor, which is encased in this plastic, and it's got a heat sink in there also. Okay, so I guess they're doing it more just to kind of clean up the look. I think it's quite nice, to be honest. It just cleans everything up, keeps all the wires more hidden. The motor's already a 4200 kV, so you really don't have to up it unless you really wanted to. As is, it can handle 3S. But yeah, 1500 milliamp 2S lithium ion. The box said LiPo, but that's a lithium ion. And basically everything else is hidden. So underneath, right over here, where you can't see it, here we have our steering servo, which is out of sight, but it's there. Being a digital one, it's obviously a 3-wire, and I'm just trying to see where it's plugged into the ESC. Not sure where it's plugged. It's got to be plugged into something, because I don't see it here. So it's hidden somewhere, but being brushless, it's obviously a 3-wire. Got a little antenna right over here. And we have a little port here for the headlights. Okay, because it does come with the headlights. And the headlights are basically this little light bar right here. Okay, so you can see it at night. I don't see anything for the back. We have friction shocks. I still don't understand why the manufacturer is still doing friction shocks. I mean, they really need to. I mean, we're in 2023, and they're very cheap. So just being the brushless model, it should be fully upgraded. That's the way I see it anyway. I know it's a cheap upgrade, but anyway. So we have up front, we have CVD metal setup up front, as you can see. Okay, this feel nice, not too tight, not too loose. And we have a dog bone setup in the rear, as you can see. Tires are not foam filled, but they should be okay. You should get some ballooning on a 2S LiPo, definitely a 3S. being a 4200 kV, so this should have some pretty good get up and go. But yeah, that's basically the car here. We have a solid plastic kind of tub chassis, sort of like the MJX. Okay, but this is, I guess, it's just a different version of it. Could be rebranded. Non-adjustable suspension links in the front and the rear, so basically that's it's just as it comes. But yeah, there's really not much more to say about this one here. So yeah, SMRC, I believe it's called the S10. I'm not exactly sure. I gotta recheck it again, but the 1/16 scale brushless RC truck, and of course the wing mounts in the back here. Okay. Remote control is here. Okay, nothing else in the box. So basically that's the top of it. These are controls right there. Power switch, steering trim, steering dual rates, throttle dual rates, and then the LED button there. And yeah, you got the trigger, you got your double A's going on the bottom, and you can reach it, so you can control it with your thumb, so it's not bad. It's you know, feels a bit on the cheaper side, but it does the job for what it's supposed to do. And that's about it. Okay, so again, it's the conclusion of my unboxing video of the SMRC, I believe it's called the S910 or something like that, 1/16 scale monster truck, truggy, I guess you want to call it. On 3S, you'll definitely make use of this wheelie bar. If you guys get any other questions or concerns about this particular RC or any of the other ones in my fleet, please leave a comment below, and I'll answer any questions that you guys may have. Alright, have a good day, guys. Ciao.